everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my pajamas because it's a holiday weekend, so why not? I'm gonna do a mostly like skin focused tutorial slash like get ready with me on this look right here. I'm just gonna show you guys some quick updates on my skin routine and stuff that I have been loving. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So since my skin is looking a little bit dull and dry, I'm gonna start with some of my favorites from Drunk Elephant Skincare. I'm applying the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum and the C Firma Day Serum. And then for my eyes, I'm putting on the C Tangle Multivitamin Eye Cream. So I tried out this new lady for eyebrow threading and also upper lip threading, and it was a horrible idea because I'm breaking out like all along here and all along here, and it just looks so bad. So I've been trying to let my skin breathe, and it has been helping, you guys. It was so much worse before. For a really nice like dewy look, I'm loving using this as my primer. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Elixir Weightless Beauty Oil. It really is weightless and it is a beauty oil. So I'm just gonna take some, put it on my fingertips, and then I'll just rub it into my skin. So for my foundation, I'm putting on the L'Oreal True Match foundation. My shade is C4 Shell Beige, and I'm gonna use the Kabuki buffer to put this all over my face. It gives me a really nice airbrush effect. I do have a couple breakouts, so for my breakouts, I'm gonna use the Bare Mineral Bare Pro Concealer, and I love this concealer because it doesn't really irritate my skin any more than it already is. So while my foundation is still wet, instead of using a cream contour palette, I like to use a darker foundation. This is the shade 11 from Tom Ford, and this is their stick foundation. It's perfect for contouring. And I'm also pulling up the darker shade into my crease just to make that definition look a little bit more natural. I'm using an oval brush from Vanity Planet to do my contour on my cheekbones, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going to take my Shaina B brush, which is still a little bit damp from the foundation, and I'm going to use it to blend in that contour into my skin. For my eye makeup, I'm loving the Kylie and Jordyn palette. What happened here is that I just took out that broken piece and I'm just using the rest of the palette on its own. So for my eyeshadow and eye look, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed it up because this tutorial is more about skin, but I did just want to do the eyes and film it just in case you guys wanted to know what was going on there. Of course, for my lashes, I use Lisa lashes, and it really brings the whole look together. For contour, I'm using the KKW Beauty Contour Palette. This is the powder contour. You can tell it's been loved because it's so beat up, and I'm gonna use the cooler tone over here. And the brush I'm using is the Shaina B Miami Contour Brush. For blush, I'm using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush in the color Bellini Brunch. And for highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighter. This is the Balm Cosmetics Mary Lou-manizer. And the brush I'm using to highlight is the Shaina B Highlight Brush. And the lip liner I'm using is my favorite, is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. And the shade I'm using is Pillow Talk. And to set everything, I'm going to use the Vassia White Charcoal Mattifying Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy Thanksgiving weekend. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.